Assalamualaikum viewers. Today's reading is about is for zodiac Capricorn, and it's about June 2020. What is going to be with you in this June 2020? What is for my dear Capricorn in June 2020? You have some kind of restrictions. I can see over here that you have some kind of restrictions. This is the card of restrictions. This is the card of authority that is not giving you some kind of allow something to do. And at the bottom of the deck you have ace of wands. Something new is going to begin over here. Now with this Hierophant card, they are restricted you. They are bonded you. You have nowhere to go over. You want to reach that city, and there is this Hierophant, this man between you. They are restricted you to go over there. You want something to do. Something had bonded you. Something had restricted you. Maybe you want some kind of money, or you want someone to meet, and you have, what is this about, Six of Swords. This, you are coming from your bad time. This restrictions is your bad time, and you are now breaking it. You're going forward towards this energy. You're coming out of it, these restrictions. Yes, maybe you have the money matter. You have the money problem over here, and you want to overcome with this problem, and you want to be like this King of Pentacle, Virgo, Capricorn, and Taurus. I think this is Virgo card, but you want to like the person who have the money, who have the resources to do their home yes, to give to do their homeworks, what they have to do in their home utensils. Yes, yes, this is the problem, money problem, I think. Or you are not as practical at this time, in these restrictions. You are not in your own energy. That's why you are having this hard time. You are going through this hard time. Now in this card you are leaving that energy over there, and you are getting new energy, the Empress energy, like an empress, like an king or queen, and you have all the things over here in life, money, kids, wisdom, authority, uh, food, luxury, all the things over here. You have this in your life now. You are going to have this in your life. You are going to have this, you are going to overcome this money problem, or whatever you are going through in this situation. You are now in this you are now in the month of June. You are going to have something in your life. You are happy with it. Yes, your time is going to change. You are going towards something, or you are traveling. This is the card of travel, change. You are going towards your happiness. Yes, something is changing over here. Yes, with this change, with this travel, with this movement, you are going towards your happiness, your abundance. Yes, Two of Cups, towards your soulmate, towards your love. Money matter with love matter. What else do you have in this June 2020, my dear Capricorn? What else for my dear Capricorn in June 2020? What else? Something else, something more. Show me what I need to say. Show me what I need to say. Show me what I need to say. Look. You are very protective over something. You had made something and you don't want to give it to others, or don't want others to steal it, and that's why you are shh. And you are very alert, very protective about your money, very protective about your money. Yes, that's what I am saying over here. And this is the card of hard working. Yes, you are doing very hard work to get this money, to get this lover, to get through your problems. What is this for? Yes, to win your fortune, to spin your wheel of fortune towards you, to have the love of your lover. Yes, you're going to have someone. Someone is coming towards you with love, or someone is giving their love to you. You are having someone's love. You are now at that time a lucky one. Yes, the other card is the death card. Something is ending over here and something new is going to start. Okay, something is changing. Someone had the mask on their face, and that mask is going to fall, and you know the true self of that person. You know the truth. You're going to know the truth. Something is happening over here with this bell. Something is going to change, something is happening, some new period is going to be start, and the first one is going to end over here. What is this for? Someone devil, death with devil, very strange and very dangerous situation. Someone that had mask on their face, they are going to play with, they had played with your hurt at previous time. They had played with your hurt, and you are restricted to them. You have no key to release yourself, to free yourself. The key is in the hand of that masked person, and you are begging them to leave you, to release you, to give you your freedom. Yes, you are begging them, or someone from your love, someone who love you is begging them to release you. Maybe someone is at their work, or maybe at the other city or other country, in the situation of corona, and their loved ones are praying to give them a leave, to send you to them. This is also the situation over here that I am saying, and this situation is going to be ending over here. With this ending and new starting card, you are ending this situation over here, this fall apart situation, this distance situation. You are going to meet your loved one. Your loved one is going to become near you, and they are going to be with you. Yes, something is going to end over here and something new is going to begin. These three cards are continuously coming together. Something big is going to happen over here with lots of persons, not only with Capricorns, lots of persons, lots of readings. I have these three cards together. Something new and beautiful is going to be start with this ending and new beginning. What is the tell me something about this ending and new beginning. What is going to end here and what is going to begin? Tell me please. You are now taking a rest. You are not thinking well, you are going to take a rest, and you have to be patient, going to heal. Yes, you are healing over here. Maybe you are coming from some kind of sickness or illness, and now you are healing over here, or someone had broke your heart and now you are going to mend it. You have to be patient for some time. This situation takes some time. Yes, some kind of burden, you are having some kind of burden, and this is going to be released. You are now relaxing, you know that you are going to start something new. You want to start something new, and that is what's stressing you. Now your new thing, your new something is going to start. You deserve more strength. You deserve more strength. You need it to start this new thing, start this new happening. What is this out? Okay, I think that this is about with your love life, and is this connected to your love life, as well as this is with your money matter. Someone had no money, or someone had left alone by someone, and now you want the company of that person, as well as you want the money. Someone had left you because you have no money. They had left you. They said that when you have money, I will come back in your life. And now you are like this hermit. You are alone but powerful. You are not afraid of anything. You are going to search your way to come out of that forest, or to come out of that situation, to come towards the some town, or towards your happiness. Yes. What is this for? You are defending yourself. Yes, you are alone at that time. You are thinking about all the things, about all the matters, how you are going to do that, who is good for you, who is not good for you, who is bad, who is who has betrayed you, what you have to do now, what is the right way to go. You are searching about that things, and you are defending with this card, with these thinkings. You are defending yourself. Something is going to be changed with this bird card. Something is going to be changed. A major change is coming. Yes. She had some kind of leaves in her hand, a plant. Maybe you are going to have some money, some food, because this branch, I see first this branch, at this branch, and they have the, I think, olives or something, some fruit over here. And this is the this have no one, but I see this one first. You are going to have springtime in your life. Page of Swords. Maybe someone had betrayed you. For someone, for some of you, someone had betrayed you. That's why you are alone in this lifetime, in this time, and you have you having this heartbreak. Someone had broke your heart. They are betrayed you. They are going with someone else. What else? What is this for? This word card for? Tell me what. Why is this word card over here? Oh, you are with this kind of situation. You are now like this hangman. You are very stubborn. You are not thinking well. You are thinking the opposite side. You are not seeing the situation with the right side. You are bonding yourself with in your own thoughts. Don't want to leave this. You have done some hard work to do something over your love life, and that thing is not going as you think that it is. that had not be as that you're thinking, and that's why you are like this hanged man. Now your fortune is with you, something is going to change, you are having a good time, good lifetime, you are going to enjoy it. Something is breaking over here, and that will give you bring you the happiness, and you are going to have some strength by that. When someone had left you, you are going to have some kind of strength, you are burdenless, stressless over here with that card. That's what I am thinking. When someone had left you or going to leave you, then you are going to have your good time. You're not, you don't want that person in your life. At that time you are having the strength, or you need the strength at that time to do this, to do this for your own happiness. You are thinking about something else, you have money, but you are thinking about something else. Maybe you are thinking for loyalty. Four of Cups, you are not happy with what is given to you, you are not thinking about it, you are not looking at it, you want something else, you are not decided, you are not be able to decide anything over here. You have to decide it, you have to choose the path, which part you want the most, what is the lucky thing in your life, what make you happy. You have to choose that thing. You have the Six of Cups at the bottom of the deck, and this is for, maybe you are missing someone from your past life. Maybe they are your mother, father, grandfather, grandmother, or someone from your past. You are missing them, or there is some time with someone else, with someone you love. If maybe they are your friends, or maybe they are your loved ones, your sister, uh, your wife, or someone. You are missing them, you are recalling that time, your freedom. Yes. And with this card, this situation is ending step by step. This will take a time, not at once. Seven of Swords, someone had betrayed you, and now you are going, you want to forget that thing. You don't want to think about it, and you are not going to cut them out from your life. You don't want them in your life, you want to cut them off. You are like, once again, like that hangman. This is there is also one hangman over here, and this is the other hangman for you. And you are not seeing the perspective at the right side, you are looking at it at the wrong side. You can mend it, you can do it, make it good, make it well, but you can't see it like that. You want to just cut them off from your life. You are very stubborn over here. You are not moving an inch in this thinking, in this thought. You want to do it. Ten of Cups, maybe you are want to cut your life partner. Yes, that's not the good thing. You are juggling about this situation. You are not be able to decide which one you want to choose, which one is good for you. You are juggling over here once again. In this June, most of the people are juggling, very much juggling. They are not going to plan or decide what they want. They are just juggling. They are just thinking about something. What I have to do, what is good for me, which one I have to choose. Yes, you are waiting for someone. You are waiting for good time. You are waiting for someone to love you, to hold you, to tell you the path. And this is the card of wishes come true. Now you are going to have your wishes, you are going to fulfill your wishes. This is the hope card, this is the healing card. Whoever had the broken heart, your heart are going to mend over here. You are going to be happy now. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, or 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8 star. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So where is the eighth line? Okay, there is the eighth line. Okay, yes, something happened in 8 days, 8 months, and that will give you your wish. Okay, you are going to be once more an emperor. You are coming towards in your you are going to be mature. You are going to be a powerful person, thinking straightly, thinking wisely. Yes, this will give you this wiseness, and you are defending yourself over that. Your wish is to defend yourself. Your wish is to like an emperor. You want someone to obey you. Yes, that's what you want. What is else is happening over here? Yes, you are betrayed by someone, you are backstabbed by someone had deceived you. That's why you are the more alert one, more protective one over here. You are bonded in this shelter whatever you made for you. You think that this is best for you, but this is nothing. This is not your shelter. You are bonded, or maybe this bondedness, this restrictions are good for you. Maybe for some of you, and some of you have to break that restrictions. You want to be free once more, but always having your freedom is not good. Sometimes it is good and sometimes it is not good. It is bad for you. Okay, someone that you love had betrayed you and now had left you. That's why you're like that dead man. You're so weak now, you're so stressful, you're mourning about them, they had left you. God bless you all. I think this June is not getting something good for us. You're going to win, and this will happen step by step, slowly, steadily, and not at once. And you are going to heal. You are going to have your good time. Your hope is coming true. You are going to win. What is you going to? Yes, 3 of Cups. You are going to have your best life, happy life. You are going to enjoy it. Wow, thanks God, something good at least. Yes, you are going to have your wishes come true. Your wishes going to become true. Your hopes are going to become true. You are winning it. Thanks God, at least. I want to see something good in your reading, and at least I am seeing it. And with this card, you have to balance your emotions. You have to balance whatever you give to others or you are taking from others. You have to balance it. You have to give them, and if you want to take something from them, you have to give them. You have to balance much. I think that you have to balance your own emotions, your thinkings, your own. You have to change a little bit your own self, not all of you, not all of your own self, little bit. the harsh things, the bad things in your mind. Okay, I think that is enough for you. I am satisfied with this. Some advice for my dear Capricorn in June 2020. What is this advice? Give me the card I need to see. Show me the card I need to see. Show me the card I need to see. I think I need a little bit shuffle to get that card. Okay, once more. I am not good in shuffling, but I am trying my best. Any advice for my dear Capricorn at this situation? Yes. Okay, what you have? Express your love. Yes, that's a good thing. I want this to be here. Go ahead and make the romantic gesture. Go ahead and make the romantic gesture to your loved one. Tell them that you have loved you. You have loved them. Love them. You are in love with them, and you are thinking about them. You love them. You want their good. Tell them. Don't leave them. Just tell them first. And forgiving and learning. As you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moment. Yes, release your past. Forget about it. What is happened to you? What is the bad thing happened to you? Forgive them. Then then you will experience the more love, more beautiful life with this. Forgiving. Forgive someone and learn what you have got from that forgiving. I think you have very good time with it. Wedding. Those who are single, they are going to wed with that person, or by someone, by forgiving someone. Okay, this situation involves marriage. Yes, this is a situation also involves marriage. That's what I am going to tell you in the next. Those who are already in married life, for them their marriage life is going to be heightened. They are going to feel more love, feel more happiness, feel more excitement with this with their uh, life partner. Okay, and you can see that this woman is looking towards you. She is in love with you. She wants you to make happy. She want to make you happy. She want to do something for you. Just tell them what do you want. She will do as you will, as you say. Protect your marriage life. Don't going to break it. Don't break it. Protect it. Trust over them. Trust them. This situation is calling for you to have faith. This is for you. You have to do this. You have to express your love. You have to forgive them. You have to protect your marriage life, and you also have to trust them. This is you who are not going to trust them. They are going to change. They are changed. They are changed for you, for your love. They are changed. Now you have to prepare your mind. You have to clear your mind and think that they are and trust that they are in love with you. They are loving you. Yes, in this card also the woman is making him for love, or telling him that she is faithful to him. She had only him in his life, in her life, sorry. Yes, this is safe for you to love. That's the card. That's the last card, and that is the most important card. It is safe for you to love them. Don't let them go from your life. Love them. Open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. to give and receive the highest energy of all. Open your heart for them. They are with you. They are not with someone else. They are with you. You are restricted your own self. I know now. I can know now that this is your own restrictions over your own self. Nobody had restricted you. You are restricted your own self. Go and open your heart. Go and open your mind. Be an open-minded person. Okay, don't leave them. They are your true love. They are your true partner, life partner. Okay, this is the reading for you for today, for this month, June 2020, and I hope that you will get something from this situation. Please understand, please listen to this reading, and don't break your home, don't break your love life. Okay, be a wise person. Get someone others advice about this situation with someone wise, someone that is a good person. Okay, I wish you the lot of best wishes, and please like, share and subscribe this reading to make me happy. It will make me happy if you like it, share and subscribe, and with lots of love, lots of prayers. Bye.